Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to upgrade my headlight bulbs to these LED bulbs from Hawkglow. Check it out, guys. Finally got some LED bulbs from my Toyota. I'm excited because the halogen bulbs in my Toyota are dim. You can't see anything at night. These are 600% brighter than the halogen bulbs. That's pretty crazy. They look pretty nice. They have a 360-degree illumination. See that? There's lights all the way around, which is cool because a lot of these bulbs only have lights on one side or the other, and then you have to adjust them and rotate them to get the correct beam pattern. These, you don't have to do that. They are waterproof. See that seal right there? That's nice. They have a fan. See that fan right there? That's to cool them off. And this is to dissipate heat. See how the ridges? They last 50,000 hours, they say. 50,000 hours. That's like, I don't know, do the math. It's like 5 years. That's a lot. These are the 9006s. That's the ones they call for the Toyota. And they're plug and play. So all you have to do is unplug the other ones and plug these in, and you're good to go. So let's install these. All right, pop the hood. And these are the bulbs we're going to change today. These are the headlights. These are the high beams and running lights, your turn signals, and your side marker light. So look right behind the headlight, and this is your bulb right there. There's two ways of doing this. You could either turn it, pull it out, and then disconnect it. I'm going to disconnect it first. Just press on this tab right here. And then you're going to twist it to the left to pull it out. And that's it. That's your bulb right there. This is a Sylvania 9006. All right, guys, let's compare these. And if you put them side by side, this was made 1-to-1 scale. So meaning, see where the LED chips are? They match the halogen. So that gives you the same beam pattern. And it has a focused beam pattern. It's not going to spread out and blind everybody else on the other side. It has aluminum construction right here. And inside has like copper tubes and stuff to dissipate heat. Pretty cool. If you see, they both plug in the same way. Easy. All right, you have your new LED bulb. All you have to do is insert it in the hole like that. You're gonna put it kind of sideways like that, and once it sits like that, you're gonna twist it to the right to lock in place, and then plug it in. That's it. Wow, guys, look at the difference. This is like all yellow and like dim. Look how much brighter that is. Wow. I'm gonna wait till nighttime to show you the difference. It'll show better. All right, on this side, it's gonna be the same procedure. I already changed it, but you're either gonna unplug it, twist it, pull it out, replace it, or twist it, pull it out, and then unplug it. It's up to you. The problem with this side is, look, there's only a little bit of space. My hands are not that big, but I could barely get in here and do it, okay? If you have big hands, you may have to remove the battery to get access to that, okay? Check it out, guys. It looks so much better. I'm gonna leave a link in the video description and also a discount code. Discount code is Fixin10. That's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.